Hi, I'm Jack Ferry. In EGR 150, my instructor is Dr. Hans Chapman at Cape Fear Community College in the fall semester, and I'll be teaching you about computer engineering, more specifically building the computer. A lot of people think that building a computer is difficult, but there's about 6 main steps that you have to do to effectively build one. Step 1 is deciding what parts to use for the build, and then deciding how much you wish to spend on each part. Step 2 is after you've decided what parts you want, start by prepping the motherboard by putting in the CPU and the RAM sticks. Once you have done so, pick up the motherboard and place it into the case. The motherboard will fit into the back to the left side to make sure all the ports can still be used. Once safely in, screw into the case to secure it. Once the motherboard is safely secured, take out your graphics card unit and plug it into the motherboard. Make sure to press all the way, but not too hard, as to break the overlays. Once plugged in, screw down the GPU to the motherboard and run the cords that you got from the GPU box and plug them in. Once they're plugged in, also plug in the motherboard and power cable and run them to the top to the cable management ports. Once done, take your fans and start setting them in the case in the vent areas. Take the wires and plug them into the motherboard. Once done, take the power supply and plug it in the back left. Make sure it is all the way in and secure it via screwing it down. Once it is all the way safely in, plug in the GPU and motherboard cables to the power supply unit. In conclusion, once you have collected all of these steps and completed them, make sure to power it on just to make sure it works. If you've done all these right, you'll have a fully functioning PC. I hope that it helped you understand what the computer parts look like better and how they fully meld